Welcome to the Thermo Scientific MicroPHAZIR AS startup and calibration demonstration. Firstly, to power the instrument up, we just press and hold the power button until we see the screen illuminate and the startup procedure has begun. Once at the welcome screen, to continue into the process, we simply press the trigger as indicated. This will take us through to the main menu where we can select to run samples from. To do that, we firstly need to do a PQ calibration process at the beginning of each day. So to do that, we will hit the run button again or press select on the screen. It will come up and indicate to us that we must do a PQ. We will finish off the warm-up process and then we shall continue to calibrate the device with the PQ process. This process will mean taking the two standards that are supplied with the system and running them in the order at which the device tells us to run them at. So it's come up and said to press next to continue the process, which we shall do. And then it's asked us to put the white reference or WR standard on top of the system. So we place the sample holder on top and then take the white reference sample and place it in the holder. To start the reading, we simply press and release the trigger and allow the unit to go through its warm-up process for the lamp and take the reading of the sample. Okay, now the white reference is complete, we shall remove that and put the AR sample on as requested and press and release the trigger. Okay, now we shall remove the AR sample and go back to the white reference sample. Okay, and lastly, the AR sample again. Now complete, the instrument indicates that it has passed its calibration process and you are ready to exit this calibration process and continue to read by saying select and back to main menu. After the PQ calibration, often it's a good idea to run a piece of material that you know is asbestos bearing or is non-asbestos bearing, just to confirm that the instrument is working correctly. I have a sample here that is a piece of material that has been measured in a laboratory and is in a sealed container for safety purposes, and I will simply go into run and execute the reading by pulling the trigger and wait for the results, which take about 6 seconds, and that will indicate that it is the material that it is supposed to be, and from here I know and can confirm that the calibration did work successfully.